All right, check it out. This one here, this is the snow plow. Again, the 300cc with the plow on the front. Now we're gonna show you guys how to mount it. So basically, you've got your plow all assembled and ready to go. You've got your 2,000-pound winch right here rigged up. You've got your tubing right here that goes underneath the plow. And you can see it goes all the way to basically where your footrest goes right here, and it mounts. So we're on the wheel well right here, basically to the square tubing frame, again with your square U-bolt right there. And you've got right here your pin, obviously, but first you have to put this mounting plate on. And so to do so, here you have it. You can see it simply bolts, again with your U-bolt right here on this side, as well as down there. The same exact thing on the other side of the frame. And you're gonna use the very end bolts. So you've got, you know, your first right here, and then you've got a hole, and then, so again, basically first and third bolt hole. And then your pins go in the front. As you can see, this is a cotter pin right here, and the same down there. And this one here, nothing happens. So again, check it on out. Here's your frame right after the curve, and then it mounts right there. So once again, this is the 300cc version, 300cc mount, very